So this is Python module 2. In module 1 we saw how to make a turtle move forward and draw a square or circle with all the tools. So module 2 we are going to see about pen up tool, pen down tool, backward, right and left we already learned. So what is pen up? It picks the turtle's pen. Pen down it will put the turtle pen down. Only if the pen is down on the screen it can draw. If the pen is lifted up it will not create anything. So this is how it works. You can just see it on the screen. So import turtle I'm giving, and after I import the turtle I'm just going to give Python pen up and pen down options. So here I give turtle dot pen down. So what will happen is the particular Python prompt will come to the center of the screen, and then you can see the pen is ready to draw. So your turtle pen up. After that I'm just giving pen down. After that I'm giving forward 50. If I give forward 50, it will start drawing and the turtle will move forward 50. Now you see I'm just giving turtle dot pen up. So if I give pen up, a pen will be available, but it will not draw anything. So that is why I'm just showing you turtle dot forward. Now I will be giving, instead of 50, from that particular position I'm just giving 90. So from that arrow it moves 90, but it is not drawing anything. You see it's an empty space here, right? So that is the main reason. Now I give turtle dot backward, so it will move back. It will move back. So this is how the turtle will work. So hope you would have understood pen up, pen down and backward. So keep learning. I'll join you in the next session. Bye bye.